Hello children, today we are going to learn kinds of pronoun. Kinds of pronoun are demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns. First is demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns which point to some noun going before it or some noun that is implied. Or in easy words, we can say that pronouns that point out or demonstrate persons or things are known as demonstrative pronouns. For example, this is my house, that is Arav's bat. These are the things I don't like. Those are the apples sent by my uncle. Here, all the highlighted words are demonstrative pronouns. Let's understand through image. This is an apple in singular. That is an apple. These are apples. Those are apples in plural. The pronouns this, that, these, and those point out the thing or things which they refer to. This and these point to things which are nearby. That and those point to things which are farther away. Such pronouns are called demonstrative pronouns. Children, demonstrative pronoun usually comes before a verb in a sentence and is used to point at the persons and things. Next is indefinite pronouns. Pronouns which do not refer to any person or thing in particular are indefinite pronouns. Or we can say a pronoun that does not refer to any person, amount, or thing in particular. For example, anything, something, anyone, everyone. These all are indefinite pronouns. Let's understand through some examples. All were drowned. Some are born great. Anybody can do that. None escaped unhurt. Everyone wants to be happy. Here all the highlighted words are indefinite pronouns. Next is reflexive pronouns. When self is added to personal pronouns like my, your, her, it, and selves to our, your, them, we get what are called reflexive pronouns. Let's see in this table. I hurt myself. In plural, we hurt ourselves. You hurt yourself. You hurt yourselves. He hurt himself. She hurt herself. The horse hurt itself. In plural, they hurt themselves. Children, in reflexive pronoun, the doer of the action is also the receiver of the action. Pronouns ending with self or selves that are used when the subject and the object of the sentence are same. Here all the highlighted words are reflexive pronouns. Next is emphatic pronouns. Reflexive pronouns used to emphasize a noun or pronoun. We can call them emphatic pronouns. Students, emphasize means to show that something is very important or worth giving attention. For example, you yourself told me about him. Veena herself did all the work. The cat itself pushed the door open. We ourselves cleaned the room. Here all the highlighted words yourself, herself, itself, ourselves, these all are emphatic pronouns. I hope you all understood. So children, our next topic will be articles. Till then, happy learning.